This medication, Ojjaara 100 mg tablet, is used to treat myelofibrosis, a type of cancer that causes anemia, low red blood cell count. It belongs to a class of drugs known as Janus Kinase, JAK, inhibitors, which work by blocking the body's production of growth factors. These growth factors cause cells to grow and divide, leading to the blood cell and spleen problems found in myelofibrosis. While it is not a cure, Ojjaara 100 mg tablet may help with symptoms such as abdominal discomfort, pain under the left ribs, early feelings of fullness from meals, night sweats, itching, and bone/muscle pain. The daily dosage and optimal timing for taking Ojjaara 100 mg tablet should be determined by your healthcare provider. Be sure to follow their instructions and ask any questions you may have about the medication. Before you start taking Ojjaara 100 mg tablet, it's important to read the patient information leaflet provided by your pharmacist. If you have any questions, make sure to consult your doctor or pharmacist for clarification. You should take this medication by mouth, with or without food, as prescribed by your doctor, usually once daily. It's important to swallow the tablets whole and not to crush or chew them. The dosage will be determined based on your medical condition and your response to the treatment. In order to get the most benefit from this medication, it's essential to use it regularly. To help you remember, try taking it at the same time each day. It's important not to increase your dose or use this drug more often or for longer than prescribed. Doing so will not improve your condition any faster and will increase your risk of experiencing side effects. Some common side effects of Ojjaara 100 mg tablet antineoplastic, Janus Kinase, JAK, inhibitors include dizziness, diarrhea, nausea, vomiting, stomach pain, or tiredness. If any of these effects persist or worsen, it is important to consult your doctor or pharmacist. People using this medication may experience serious side effects, but it has been prescribed to you because your doctor has determined that the benefits outweigh the risks. Your doctor will monitor you closely to minimize your risk. Notify your doctor immediately if you experience any serious side effects, such as signs of liver problems, easy bruising/bleeding, or any signs of infection. This medication may also lower your ability to fight infections, so be aware of any symptoms and report them to your doctor. Before using this medication, discuss with your doctor if you have a history of heart disease, stroke, cancer, or any risk factors for heart disease. Seek medical help right away if you experience symptoms such as chest pain, sudden dizziness, or difficulty breathing. While a serious allergic reaction to this drug is rare, seek immediate medical help if you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction. This is not an exhaustive list of possible side effects, so it's important to contact your doctor or pharmacist if you notice any other effects. If you are in the US, you may report side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or online at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before taking Ojjaara 100 mg tablet, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist about any allergies you may have. This medication may contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions. It's also important to discuss your medical history, particularly if you have liver disease or a current/past infection. This medication may cause dizziness, and alcohol or marijuana can intensify this effect. It's best to avoid driving, using machinery, or any activities that require alertness until you can do so safely. Additionally, be cautious around sharp objects and avoid contact sports to lower the risk of injury. Momelotinib can also make you more susceptible to infections or worsen current infections. Stay away from individuals with contagious illnesses and talk to your doctor for more information. It's important to inform your healthcare professional before receiving any vaccinations or immunizations, and to avoid contact with people who have recently received live vaccines. If you are pregnant or planning to become pregnant, it's important to discuss reliable forms of birth control with your doctor while using this medication, as it may harm an unborn baby. Breastfeeding is not recommended while using this drug, so consult your doctor before breastfeeding. It's important to be aware of potential drug interactions when taking Ojjaara 100 mg tablet antineoplastic, Janus Kinase, JAK, inhibitors. These interactions can impact how your medications work and may increase the risk of serious side effects. It's important to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share this with your doctor and pharmacist. It's crucial not to start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. This will help ensure the safe and effective use of Ojjaara 100 mg tablet Antineoplastic, Janus Kinase, JAK, inhibitors. Always consult with your medical professional before making any changes to your medication regimen. If someone takes too much Ojjaara 100 mg tablet and experiences severe symptoms like losing consciousness or difficulty breathing, it is important to seek immediate medical help. In the United States, you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, residents can call a provincial poison control center. It's important not to share this medication with others. Before starting to take Ojjaara 100 mg tablet, it's necessary to have lab and/or medical tests done, such as complete blood counts and liver function tests. These tests should also be done while taking the medication. It's important to keep all medical and lab appointments and consult your doctor for more details. If you forget to take a dose, just skip it and take your next dose at the usual time. Don't take 2 doses at once to make up for the missed one. It's important to store Ojjaara 100 mg tablet Antineoplastic, Janus Kinase, JAK, inhibitors in its original container, tightly closed, at room temperature, and away from light and moisture. Make sure to keep the desiccant, drying agent, in the container to protect it from moisture. It's also crucial to keep all medications away from children and pets, and not store them in the bathroom. When it comes to disposing of this medication, do not flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. Properly discard this product and it is expired or no longer needed, and consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for further guidance. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.